Hello again and welcome to Kitchen Science Day 11. Today, yeah, we had 11 of them. Today was a weird day. We woke up to snow on the ground and my mother sent me some science experiments that had to do with snow. Now this one I thought was pretty cool and it kind of built on an earlier one that we had done. The very first science experiment that we did lava lamps. Now I had my sister text me and tell me she added one step to this lava lamp. So this is kind of in that vein. We're going to change it up just a little bit, but we are going to create a snowstorm in a glass. Now, you may have seen other things that can create snowstorms. We obviously have our snow globe, but in order to make a snow globe work, you got to shake it around, spin it. We're not going to have to do any of that. Okay? Not that that isn't beautiful, and not that we don't mind. Yes, sir?
Do we need a cap for it?
We will not need a cap. No, I appreciate the question. So what we're going to do, we're going to essentially make a similar lava lamp, and we're going to add one piece into it, okay? So our ingredients that we're going to need today: canola oil, water, same things that we've had before. The lava lamp was simple: canola oil, water, any oil. If you have baby oil works really well, or any other vegetable oil. You guys getting silly over there. Any oil, paint, Alka-Seltzer, and I put a little glitter. Not necessary, but we have it. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to put some oil in this cup. Yeah, you can. Of course you can. All right, are you ready? So I'm going to pour some of the oil in the cup.
Oh, are we going to share one?
Yeah, we're going to have one together here. All right, see the oil?
Yeah.
Perfect.
We need to do it some more.
Yeah, you're going to get to do some too. Jack, I am going to have you take this water. I'm going to put a little bit of paint in it, okay? Now, this is water-based paint. Yep, it's water-based paint. So I'm just going to put some drops in, so it shouldn't, again, it's tempera paint, so it shouldn't be a big deal. It's washable, waterproof. All I'm going to do is add some paint to it, and we're going to stir it up to make the water white. Go ahead, Jack. Stir it up just like you like this. Yep. Stir it up till it's nice and white.
It looks
All
like
right.
milk.
It does kind of look like milk. I wonder if milk would work in a similar way. It might. You might be able to do this without milk. We essentially just have paint and water, though. And what we're going to do, again, we're just stirring it up. And we are going to add that to the mixture. Pour it in.
All of it?
We can press stop there.
Ooh.
Well, yeah, it already is looking pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, what I'm going to do, and I know how much my daughter loves glitter, so we're going to add a little bit of glitter into this as well. I know you do. So we've got a little bit of glitter. Can you help me add a little bit of that in there too? It's just going to make that much more beautiful. You guys can do it together. Oh man, oh, that'll be beautiful. Okay, so what we're going to do,
Floating.
it is kind of floating. We can probably stir it around and it won't float as much. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of Alka-Seltzer. Now, Alka-Seltzer is a pretty cool thing. Okay, it is a solid form of two things: sodium bicarbonate, which is essentially baking soda, and citric acid, which is citric acid. But it's a solid form of it, and the reason why it is cool is you may have seen Alka-Seltzer bubble up. The reason why it doesn't bubble up right away is because these are solid and they don't mix. Now, when you put them in water, they tend to mix.
Whoa,
So,
it's different colors.
It
That's
is.
Alka-Seltzer.
So as of right now, yeah, I'm just going to break these up into little pieces.
It's solid?
Yeah, it's solid. So I'm going to give you guys a couple little pieces. Okay? You guys each got some. Yeah, we're not going to eat them or
It
anything.
smells good.
Yeah, it does, I'm sure. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have you guys put that in there, and you're going to have the citric acids and sodium bicarbonate. They're going to mix when they get in the water, and something cool is going to happen. Okay? Very similar to what happens with baking soda and vinegar. So I am going to show you. Again, it has separated into a white layer and some sparkles and a clearish layer.
Daddy, can we drop them?
You can drop them in whenever we're ready, and let's see what happens. That's good. What's happening?
It's making a snowstorm.
It is. There's kind of a blizzard in there. How's it look, Grace? Describe what you're seeing.
It's like a volcano.
It is kind of like a volcano, yep. Everything's kind of shooting to the top, and then what's happening?
It's bubbling on the top.
Yeah.
It's coming down.
And then it's coming right back down. It's almost blizzardy now, isn't it? I know, right?
It's like a cool snow globe.
It is like a cool snow globe. And it's like a snow globe that's kind of moving around when you don't have to shake it. So if you look real closely, I don't know if you can see it, lots of individual little layers coming up and down. It's kind of like you would see with a blizzard. Now, being that it snowed yesterday on April 14th of all days, we thought a snow globe would be a good way to go. Yeah, it's super cool. Yeah, getting super cool. Again, just a simple reaction, very much like our...
It's like snow shooting to the top.
It is, and then what happens once it shoots to the top?
It makes bubbles.
Yep, and what do those bubbles stay at the top, or what do they do?
Go down.
Yeah, then they come back down again. And what made them? Do you remember what we added? Just simply Alka-Seltzer. Okay, so if you want to try something and make a little snowstorm in a glass, take a crack at it. Should be pretty fun. And we hope you enjoyed this on Kitchen Science today. Have a great day.